Mike was a small boy, and he hated soap and water. 3 or 4 times every day, his mother said to him, "Mike, your hands are very dirty again. Go and wash them." But Mike never really washed them well. He only put his hands in the water for a few seconds and then took them out again. Mike's uncle and aunt lived in another city. One day, they came to stay with Mike's parents, and they brought their small son, Ted, with them. Ted was a year younger than Mike, and he didn't like soap and water either. The boys sat with their parents for a few minutes, but then they went outside. When they were alone, Mike looked at Ted's hands and then said proudly, "My hands are dirtier than yours." "Of course they are," Ted answered angrily. "You're a year older than I am."
One. What did Mike do when his mother said, "Go and wash your hands"? 2. Who visited Mike's parents one day? 3. Who did they bring with them? 4. What did Mike do when the 2 boys were alone? 5. What did he say to Ted? 6. What did Ted answer?